Developers working on creating applications must be able to effectively communicate with team members, clients, and users in a range of different ways. The first communication skill is appropriate language. The needs of the audience must be met by tailoring vocabulary, tone, and technical detail to suit the client. Team members should avoid jargon when unnecessary and be clear, concise, and respectful to clients. Appropriate language promotes mutual understanding between developers, clients, and stakeholders, and reduces misunderstandings and incorrect assumptions in requirements gathering. When gathering requirements, analysts need to explain technical concepts in plain English to clients. Application developers must use appropriate technical detail with other programmers during communication. And in the construction phase, developers should write end-user documentation suitable for non-technical audiences. Non-verbal communication includes body language, facial expressions, gestures, posture, eye contact, physical space, and appearance. This enhances understanding in meetings or paired programming sessions and helps convey enthusiasm, agreement, confusion, or concern. It can build rapport and trust within teams and includes visual cues in video calls too, such as nodding along as people are speaking. The project manager should use a confident posture and eye contact to lead discussions in meetings. Clients should also be treated with respect using handshakes or eye contact in interviews. During user testing, the user experience designer will observe users' facial expressions and gestures to assess app usability. And when reviewing code, developers will use visual clues to interpret feedback and engagement from peers. Different question techniques will have different goals, such as probing questions being used to explore detail and clarifying questions to check understanding. Questioning is vital to ensure an accurate and complete understanding of client requirements. It can identify hidden constraints or user needs and improve debugging and problem solving by asking the right technical questions. Different types of questions can be used to elicit specific responses, such as open-ended questions like, what features would you like the application to have? Closed, do you need the application to support offline use? Probing, you mentioned reporting tools, can you explain what kind of reports you need and how often? And leading, wouldn't it be more efficient if the app sent notifications automatically? There's also reflective questions, like, so, you want users to log in with either their email or a social media account, is that right? Clarifying, when you say fast loading, do you mean under 2 seconds for each page? And multiple choice, such as, which platforms should the app support, Android, iOS, Windows, or all three? When gathering client requirements, analysts will use probing questions to clarify vague responses. In the testing stage, developers will ask precise, closed questions about expected app behavior, and during maintenance, testers will use specific clarifying questions to diagnose user-reported bugs. Verbal communication relates to spoken words and includes articulation, tone, and pace, but also listening skills. Verbal communication can occur face-to-face in meetings or over calls and is an immediate two-way or more interaction. When effective, it speeds up clarification and problem solving, supports effective collaboration and decision making, and helps quickly align team members on goals and progress. Project managers must use clear verbal updates to track progress and communicate this to the rest of the team. Developers in the construction and testing phases, especially if programming in pairs, must discuss code decisions in real time without ambiguity. And when demonstrating updates, developers must present the software clearly to non-technical stakeholders. The final communication skill is written communication, and this can be through emails, reports, documentation, messages, and comments. It requires clarity, accuracy, structure, and professionalism. Written data may be permanent, so it can be referred to later, and preserves important details such as decisions, requirements, and bugs. It also supports maintainability through clear documentation and comments in code. When creating code, developers must write clear comments for team members to understand. In the planning phase, project managers will create important documents such as Gantt charts, timelines, and reports, which must be easily understandable to clients. And quality assurance testers will document test cases, bug reports, and test results to help developers make improvements to code.